It's July 3rd, basically like 9:15 in the morning. I'm heading to this job. I just finished up another job. I had a bad capacitor. It was burnt wires. It was a 50-5. Luckily I had it in the truck. Dual run. So change that out. He was watching me, so I couldn't film that. It's only a capacitor anyway. So this other guy just called me. He's got a pool heater. And he says, the pool guy says it's making all kinds of noise. And I believe it's a heat pump, so I'm going over there to check it out and see what's going on with it. See if I can find out why it's making all this noise. He said it sounds like a Mack truck, so we'll see. Might be interesting here. He said they ran it for like 2 days and it wasn't really heating up the pool, but he kept it running. Probably not a good thing. So, see if I get some footage on this. Here it is here. We're going to fire it up and see what it sounds like. But Aqua Comfort heat pump. Bad fan motor. I'll disconnect the fan and see if that noise stops. Basically what happens is you just got a coil that comes in here, wraps around the compressor. Thing's pretty dirty in here, but condensing unit is what heats the water. It's just in a little coil. It's a pretty cool setup. I'm gonna try disconnecting the fan and try to isolate where the noise is coming from. Two separate caps here, so I'll just disconnect the wire on one of the caps on the fan side first and see if that fan shouldn't run now with that wire off. And we'll hit the breaker and see what happens. Put the breaker off, but we'll see if the noise continues. I'm not going to run it for any amount of time because I got this back off. It's all open. I'm just trying to isolate where the noise is coming from. I think it's the fan. Stop. I'll do it a little different here. Definitely the fan. No doubt about that. That start cap's not even starting the compressor. The compressor's not even starting. Definitely the fan. I'll pull this wire off. It won't even start. The compressor won't start or nothing. Yeah, it won't start. It won't start. That fan is junk. The one cap for the compressor's got a little connection on there. Alright guys, it's got a little bleed resistor on that capacitor to start the compressor. So I just put a hot start on there. See if he'll start. It doesn't want to start. Alright guys, I got the blue wire off. The blue, black, and red go to the compressor. I pulled the cover off, and everything's connected. I don't see any burnt wire, so I got my supco hooked up here to the ground and to the blue. Bad. Well, that one's okay. That one's okay. I checked this start capacitor. This thing is fine. It's like 139 microfarads. So with me having that on there, that should start right up. I'm gonna check the red and the blue. I don't think it's short at the ground because it's not tripping the brake. It just won't start. The thing's not hot or nothing. I checked the low pressure switch, the blues, and I'm closed there, so it's not that. Some red and it goes right to caution on yellow there, see it? It's on yellow, caution. So this compressor's junk. Red, and it stays right in that yellow there. Caution. That's the black line. I'll do the red line too. Common. Alright, I got the red line hooked up there from the compressor. Let's see what that does. It stays right on the red there. Can you see it? Let my finger off. Bad. Watch, I'll push the button. My supco. Bad. It's not only the compressor's junk, but that fan is junk. This whole pool heat is junk. I don't know if you guys can see that little resistor in there on the run cap. It's actually a start cap. If that resistor is on there, you can't check it, microfarads. So that's why I put this just temporary start capacitor on there. See if I could get it to start, but the compressor is junk. And the fan is junk. So this whole unit is junk, basically. I will take the numbers off the compressor and the fan motor, get this guy a price on what it's going to cost to fix this thing, and see if it's worth his while doing it or not. New compressor, yeah, new fan motor is what he needs. Boy, he did change the whole pool heater. I'd probably just change the whole flipping heater at the vintage of this baby. Alright guys, I talked to this guy on the phone. He wants me to get a price on changing the compressor out. And flipping dirty this thing is. This thing needs a good cleaning with the coil gun. But if I get the job, I'll give him a price on changing out the condenser fan. And I got the numbers off the compressor. It's a Copeland. I got the numbers here. I'll get him a price on changing out the compressor. It's going to be a lot cheaper than, and I got all the information on the half horse on the fan motor. And probably a lot cheaper to change it out, I'm thinking, than fix this one than changing the whole unit. But we'll see. I don't supply pool heaters. I know a guy that will. He's got a pool company. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.